Hello, little explorers! Are you ready for a wild adventure? Today, we are traveling to the vast and beautiful Colorado Desert in California. It is a place of golden sand, giant cacti, and hidden wonders. But don't let the heat fool you. This desert is full of life. Today, we are going to meet 10 desert superstars who call this place home. Wait! Before we meet our desert stars, make sure to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our club of explorers so you never miss a wild adventure around the world. Let's begin the list. The desert kit fox, the tiny dancer. Meet the desert kit fox. They are the smallest foxes in North America, about the size of a small house cat. Look at those giant pointy ears. They use them to hear tiny insects moving deep under the sand. Those big ears aren't just for hearing. They work like radiators to release body heat and keep the fox cool in the hot California sun. Instead of sweating, they stay cool by staying in their cozy underground dens all day and coming out to dance and play when the sun goes down. They have furry feet that act like tiny snowshoes so they don't sink into the soft sand. The desert tortoise, the slow groover. They have thick, stumpy legs and a very hard shell that acts like a protective shield against the desert elements. They spend 95% of their lives in deep underground burrows, where the air is much cooler than the surface. They move very slowly and steadily. It takes them a long time to travel, so they enjoy the desert scenery one slow, careful step at a time. The coyote, the night singer. They look like slim, clever dogs with bushy tails that stay low when they run. Their coats are the color of the desert sand to help them hide. To avoid the heat, they take long naps in the shade during the day and only wake up when the air gets chilly at night. They are incredible runners and love to sing in a loud choir. On a quiet desert night, you might hear them howling across the hills. The roadrunner, the speed star. They have a cool feathery crest on their head that they can pop up when they are excited or curious about the music. They stay cool by reducing their activity during the hardest part of the day, standing perfectly still under a cactus. They can run up to 20 miles per hour. They are the fastest sprint runners on the desert floor, zipping past the bushes in a flash. The black-tailed jackrabbit, the big ears. They have incredibly long back legs and ears that are almost as long as their whole body. They sit very still in the shade of a bush and let the desert breeze blow against their giant ears to cool their blood down. When they are in a hurry, they can leap over 20 feet in one single jump. That is one giant hop across the Colorado desert sand. The Bighorn Sheep, the VIP guest. The males have massive curved horns that can weigh up to 30 pounds. That's as heavy as a big bag of dog food. They can go for weeks without drinking water by getting moisture from the desert plants they eat. Their hooves have a special rubbery grip, just like natural hiking boots, so they can jump and climb on steep, rocky cliffs without ever slipping. The sidewinder rattlesnake, the sand shaker. They have tiny horns over their eyes that act like umbrellas to keep the blowing sand out while they watch the show. By moving sideways, they make sure only 2 points of their body touch the burning hot sand at any time. They move in a beautiful S shape, gliding across the desert floor like they are performing a smooth, secret sand ballet. The burrowing owl, the day watcher. These are tiny owls with very long legs and bright yellow eyes that can see everything happening on the festival stages. They stay cool by moving into underground homes that were built by squirrels or tortoises, where it stays nice and chilly. They love to bob their heads up and down when they are interested in something. It looks like they are nodding to a secret desert beat. The chuckwalla, the rock star. They are big, chunky lizards with loose, wrinkly skin that makes them look like they are wearing an oversized shirt. They bask in the morning sun to charge their batteries and then hide in deep rock cracks when it gets too hot. When they are scared, they crawl into a crack and inflate their bodies like a balloon so they stay stuck safely inside. The Gambel's quail, the party hat bird. They wear a floppy black feather on their forehead called a topknot. It looks exactly like a tiny party hat. They love to gather in the shade of desert trees, huddling together to stay out of the direct California sun. Instead of flying, they prefer to waddle run in big family groups. It looks like a happy family parade moving through the desert brush. The Colorado Desert is a truly amazing place. Here are some quick facts. Fact 1. It is a part of the even bigger Sonoran Desert, and it is famous for its beautiful palm oases. Fact 2. Even though it's a desert, it has a giant lake called the Salton Sea, which is a very important place for birds. Fact 3. In the springtime, if it rains just right, the whole desert floor turns into a giant carpet of colorful wildflowers. Fact 4. The Colorado Desert is home to giant boulders that look like they came from another planet. What an amazing journey through the Colorado Desert. Which desert superstar was your favorite? Was it the tiny kit fox or the brave bighorn sheep? Tell us in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more wild adventures. Thank you for watching, little stars. See you in the next desert. Bye-bye.